They are drinking the poison. All the ants are gone. They're all killed. That's the poison right there. All the ants are killed. There's still a little bit of few ones. See, there's still some. They're all gone, actually. I put poison right on the very top, right over there, on the corner. All the ends are gone. See? Very few left, barely any. That's nasty. See, there's some liquid still in the bottle. Keep away from children. See? You just put it on here like that, and that's the poison right there. Top. And we're coming from the top and from the edges of the wood, like, and we're walking. You're gonna see all that right in the video when you see it, okay? How everything worked. All right. This is 100% real video, okay? It really happened. All right, so all dead. Took about probably 3 days. And there's still one right there. See? If you like the video, make sure to like, subscribe, and share. And thank you for the support to Genius C Productions. All right, guys. Well, see you in the next video. Have an amazing day. Blessings. This is Eddie Cantun from Genius C Productions. See you in the next video.